Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef H&M Morris again, man, presenting to you. So how to prepare couscous the real way. So this is what the couscous looks like. So couscous, as we know it, is a form of wheat. This starch, a lot of people include this in their diet to substitute for rice. So it's also called macaroni wheat or pasta wheat. Now these are small balls. When you steam them, they're nice and fluffy and have the texture of rice, but it's more so a healthier choice. You can use it in salad and the list goes on. Now I'm going to be using this couscous to stuff a whole chicken that I already deboned. A link will be placed above to show you how to debone a whole chicken. So without further delay, let's get right into cooking this couscous. So the first thing you want to do before you cook this couscous is to have a pot of boiling water going. I'm going to add that to the pan. About 3 to 4 cups. So you can choose to season your couscous any way you like. Today I'm going to be seasoning mine with some herbs and spices. So first I'm going to go in with some salt. I'm seasoning the couscous directly because we're not going to be cooking it in liquid. We're just going to pour a bit of hot water over this and allow it to steam the couscous. So salt. Added 2 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, tablespoon of basil, half teaspoon dried thyme, you can use fresh thyme if you have that, and parsley, half teaspoon. Now we're just going to mix that all together. So there you have it. Now, I'm going to put this directly over a water bath to steam this. From this boiling water, I'm going to be taking 2 cups of water. So we need hot water, right? I'm going to place our pan directly over a water bath. And we use that hot water. We're just going to pour about 1/4 cup over that. I'm going to mix that around. Just to get all the grains moistened, just spread it out. I'm going to use some plastic wrap to trap in the steam. We're going to allow this to steam for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we're going to add some more water and check how soft our couscous is. Just carefully pull this back. We're going to reuse that. It's starting to cook. And the reason why we do it like this, so it doesn't get too soft or burn. That's what it looks like. You see the grains starting to get fluffier. I'm gonna add some water to that. You just want to break the lumpy ones so that they steam properly. Every grain steams evenly. Now that we break the lumps, going to level that off and allow it to steam for 5 more minutes and we should be ready to go. And ensure when you're doing this, you keep your fire on medium. You don't want the water to be boiling too rapidly or too slowly. Just keep that on medium. Cover this back, seal it, allow it to steam. Nice and fluffy. And there you have it. Couscous made easy here on Morris Time Cooking Ed. And remember to give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see here today. Hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our weekly postings. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, safe travel for the gravel and go on big up on yourself.
See you on the dinner for later. But know you fast girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah.